The story of Lego begins in 1932 in the small Danish town of Billund. Ole Kirk Christensen, a master carpenter, faced economic hardship during the Great Depression. He started making wooden toys to keep his business afloat. His workshop produced simple, durable playthings. In 1934, he named his company Lego, a portmanteau of the Danish words leg god, meaning play well. Little did he know this name would become synonymous with creativity worldwide. The true turning point came in 1947 when Ole's son, Godfred Kirk Christensen, discovered plastic injection molding. He purchased a machine, a significant investment for the family business. This allowed them to produce automatic binding bricks, inspired by British toy maker Kiddicraft. These early plastic bricks were not yet the interlocking system we know today. It was Godfred who in 1958 patented the stud-and-tube coupling system. This innovation ensured the bricks clicked together securely, forming the foundation of the Lego system of play. The initial investment was entirely internal, driven by the family's vision and belief in their product. There were no external venture capitalists or public offerings in these formative years. The family poured their resources and ingenuity into perfecting the brick. Lego's fame grew steadily through consistent quality and innovative product lines. The universal appeal of building and creating resonated with children and adults alike. Early themes like Lego City and Lego Space captured imaginations. A pivotal moment arrived in 1978 with the introduction of the Lego minifigure. These iconic characters brought storytelling and roleplay to a new level. They quickly became a beloved and recognizable part of the Lego universe. The late 1990s marked another significant leap with strategic licensing deals. The partnership with Star Wars in 1999 was a game-changer, attracting an entirely new demographic. This success paved the way for collaborations with other major franchises. Beyond physical bricks, Lego expanded into video games, animated movies, and theme parks. These ventures diversified their brand presence and deepened engagement with their global audience. Each new platform reinforced the brand's creative ethos. Despite its success, Lego faced near bankruptcy in the early 2000s. Over-diversification and a loss of focus on the core product led to significant financial losses. The company needed a radical transformation to survive. Jørgen Vig Knudstorp was appointed CEO in 2004, the first non-family member to hold the position. He spearheaded a turnaround strategy, refocusing on the classic brick system and streamlining operations. This period was crucial for the company's survival. The company also embraced its passionate fan community, leading to initiatives like Lego Ideas. This platform allows fans to submit their own designs, fostering a sense of co-creation and loyalty. Digital integration became a key part of their strategy. Today, the Lego Group remains privately held by the Kirk Christensen family. This ownership structure allows for long-term strategic planning without the pressures of public markets. It has contributed to their sustained growth and stability. The company consistently reports impressive financial results. For instance, in 2023, the Lego Group reported revenue of 65.9 billion DKK, approximately 9.5 billion US dollars. This represents a significant turnover for a toy company. Their net profit for the same year was 13.1 billion DKK, or about 1.9 billion US dollars. These figures underscore Lego's position as a global leader in the toy industry. Their products are sold in over 130 countries worldwide. Lego's success is a testament to its enduring appeal, continuous innovation, and strong brand management. From a small carpentry shop to a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, Lego continues to build its legacy, one brick at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support helps us create more fun, educational, and inspiring content every week.